Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many React Native developers face when working with Stack Navigator and Flatlist components. Have you ever tried to scroll a Flatlist inside a modal screen presented by Stack Navigator, only to find that it doesn't work as expected? You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this behavior and provide a step-by-step solution to get your Flatlist scrolling smoothly inside a modal screen. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to overcome this hurdle and create seamless user experiences in your React Native app. So, let's dive into the topic. When we present a modal screen using Stack Navigator's presentation modal option, it creates a new modal stack that overlaps the current screen. This modal stack has its own layout and navigation context, which can sometimes lead to unexpected behavior when dealing with scrolling components like Flatlist. The issue arises because the modal screen is not aware of the Flatlist scroll position, causing the list to be cut off or not scrollable at all. To resolve this, we need to make the modal screen aware of the Flatlist scroll position and adjust its layout accordingly. One way to achieve this is by using the onScroll event provided by Flatlist. We can use this event to update the modal screen's height dynamically based on the current scroll position of the list. This will ensure that the modal screen always accommodates the full height of the Flatlist, allowing it to scroll smoothly. Another important aspect to consider is the content container style prop provided by Flatlist. By setting this prop to a custom style object, we can control the layout of the list and make sure it fills the available space within the modal screen. For example, you might set the content container style prop to flex 1 on, which will make the list expand to fill the entire height of the modal screen. This, combined with the dynamic height adjustment using the onScroll event, should give you a smooth scrolling experience within the modal screen. To summarize, here are the key points to take away from this video. When presenting a modal screen using Stack Navigator's presentation modal option, it creates a new modal stack that can lead to unexpected behavior with scrolling components like Flatlist. To resolve this issue, use the onScroll event provided by Flatlist to update the modal screen's height dynamically based on the current scroll position of the list. Use the content container style prop provided by Flatlist to control the layout of the list and make sure it fills the available space within the modal screen. That's it for today's video. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to scroll a Flatlist inside a Stack Navigator's presentation modal screen. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more React Native tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.